In this part, we will be talking about the generation type as UUID. If you want to create an ID of type string, then you can use the generation type as UUID. For that, you can use generated value and you can define the strategy, and there are multiple generation types. And if I'll show you this generation type, these all are the generation types that we will be discussing throughout the series. First of all, we are talking about this type, which is UUID. Whenever you want to create ID of type string, then UUID is very helpful. This UUID is taking help from a class by the name called UUID generator, this class. And with the help of this UUID generator, this will only generate random unique strings for your application. And that's how you're not required to do anything else for this ID. And by default, it will create a unique ID. Now I'll go back into person controller and now I'll try to save the data of one person inside the database. This is my Postman from where I want to save the data into table. So this is my local host because my application is running on the local host. 8090 is my port for my application, and this is my path, API v1 and save person. And I have selected the post request type, and inside my body I'm only passing the name because ID will be auto generated inside my application. Now once I'll click on this send button and I'll go into the body, you can see that it is returning you the name and ID. This ID has been generated by the UUID generator. Let's go into the database and I'll show you that the data is also saving into the database. Whenever I'm doing select star from person, the same person has been saved into the database, and this ID has been generated by the generation type UUID. Whenever you want to create a unique identifier, a string identifier inside your table, you can go for the generation type strategy UUID. Yeah, thank you so much.